What truly happened behind closed doors when Storage Wars icon Darrell tragically passed away? We're diving deep into the shocking body cam footage that's sending shivers down Hollywood's spine. Imagine the scene. Officers responding to a call, only to discover one of their own, a dedicated fan, immediately recognizing the reality TV legend. The Lake Havasu City Police Department's body cam video, exclusively obtained by TMZ, reveals the raw, unfiltered moment officers found Sheets dead from a self-inflicted gunshot wound at his Arizona home. The officer, clearly a devoted follower of Storage Wars, even recounted details about Darrell and his son's iconic truck, highlighting the surreal overlap between celebrity and tragic reality. But here's the truly chilling detail. Paramedics hesitated to pronounce him dead because he was still holding the revolver, finger on the trigger, a grim testament to his final moments. This heartbreaking revelation, confirming his death as a suicide on April 22nd, has left the entertainment world grappling with the tragic news. For more exclusive insights into Hollywood's darkest moments, make sure to hit that subscribe button and never miss a beat. Join our community for the hottest celebrity gossip and trending news.